Hi everyone. Today we are going to do the fourth part of light reflection and refraction. Yet we did the whole theory of what mirror, like for concave mirror, for convex mirror. We did sign convention. We did magnification formulas and the properties of magnification. If it is minus, then what will happen? If it is plus, we'll discuss anyway. And then we did what? Mirror equation. So today's class specifically we will do 5-6 numericals on the basis of this. Again, the next class also, because the videos I'm not going to make more than 25 minutes, so I'm not making like more videos, more questions I cannot put inside this. Anyway, today we will do only numericals, no theory for today's class. Let's start with like once we'll see the formulas, whatever is there, then we'll go for the numericals. If you will see first relation, if you will see here, then we can say radius is equal to what? 2f, right? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, mirror equation, right? Then we did what? Magnification is height of image by height of object, or we can say minus v by u. Yes. Okay, after that we can say in magnification is what? If magnification is plus, then what will happen? If magnification is positive, if magnification is negative, what we can say from this, that also we should know. So magnification is positive and magnification is what? Negative. So this will be what? Erect and virtual. Erect and virtual. If it is real and what? Inverted. Right? And then we can say if magnification is what? Greater than 1, smaller than 1, and what? Equal to 1. That also we'll have to see. From here itself we can say if it is erect and virtual, so magnification is greater than 1, right? We can say what? It is enlarged, right? And then if magnification is equal to 1 and magnification is less than 1, then it is what? Real and inverted, as well as here we can say diminished, same size of the object. Fine. So these things we should know before doing the numericals. And sign convention, same side of the object is positive, opposite side is what? Of the object is negative. That we should know. Let's see the first question here. If you will see the first question, you guys read the first question. If you will see here, first question, convex mirror used for a rear view of an automobile has a radius of curvature. Guys, always know we should write always we should write what? The given data. So let's see now what a convex mirror has a radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is how much? 3 meters. So focal length is going to be what? 1.5 meter. If a bus is located 5 meter from this, right? 5 meter from this, from 5 meter from what? So from this, if a bus is located 5 meter from this mirror I left here, find the position, nature, and the size of the image, right? Focal length is this. Anyway, we can say what radius of curvature is how much? 3. For a convex mirror, focal length is going to be this side, so obviously it is going to be what? Positive. And object distance is how much here? U is minus. Object distance is always a negative. Fine. If the what they're asking, find the position and nature of the position. Let's find. First one, we can apply mirror's equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f is, guys, what here? 1.5 is equal to 1 by v minus of 1 by 5. I just took directly. So we can say 1.5 plus of 1.5 by 1 by 5 this. Then we can take here is 0 here, and then 15 is the LCM. Then 30 will be here. Sorry, here it is going to be how much? Here it is going to be 10, and then here it is going to be what? 3 is equal to 1 by V. So 13 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. V is equal to 15 by 13. That should be the answer. So it is what? 1.15. If you will solve it, it will come how much? 1.15 meter, right? All things are in meter, so it will also be in meter. Now they're asking what? Find the position, nature, and size of the image. Okay, first for that we'll have to do what? Magnification. Magnification is minus V by U. Minus V. V is how much here, guys? 1.15 by U. U is this. So minus V by U. U is, if you will see, negative, so it is going to be positive. If you will solve this, then it is going to be how much? Let's calculate it. So we can say it is plus 0.23. So the image is what? Now we can say, no, simply we can say that if the magnification is what? Positive, then we can say directly the object is the mirror is anyway convex, right? So we can say virtual. The object is going to be what? Virtual erect, and that too is positive also, right? Virtual erect, and then what? Diminished, right? This we can say virtual erect and diminished. Let's see the next question. An object 4 centimeter in size. HO is how much, guys? HO is 4 centimeter. Displays 25 centimeter minus 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length, concave mirror, so obviously it is in front of a concave. Concave focal length is what? Negative only, right? This is given. At what distance should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. Okay, so if you'll find here V, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Then we can say 1 by F is 1 minus 1 by 15, 1 by V minus 1 by 25. So that side it will go. Then it is going to be 1 by 25 minus of 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. The LCM is going to be how much? 75. And then we can say 3 times minus of 5, right? So it is going to be 1 by V. Now, correct, no? Yeah. So now we can say minus 2 by 75 minus 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 75. So V is equal to 7 minus 75 by 2. So 37 point minus 37.5. So that is going to be what? So we got the magnification is what? Minus 37.5, right? Okay, minus 37.5 we got. Okay, fine. Now we want to find nature and all, so let's find height of image also. Magnification is height of image by height of object, height or minus V by U. Height of image we want to find. Actually height of image is how much here? We want to find height of object is 4 centimeter is equal to minus of V. Minus of V, if you will see, guys, minus of minus, so 37.5 by U. U is how much here? U is minus of 25. Let's erase. Let me erase this dots. Yeah. So now we can say what here? Minus 30 minus plus it became. Now if you will calculate it, 25 by 37.5, if all you will calculate I did the calculation. So it is going to be what? Minus of 6. So the image is going to be what? Inverted and what? Enlarged. Right? So 4 and 6, obviously it is what? Enlarged. So let's see now next question. Next question, if you will see. Okay, an object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter away from a converging mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Discuss the effect on the nature and position of the image if the position of the object changed from 25 centimeter to what? 15 centimeter. Justify your answer without using mirror formula. No. Yeah. So let's see without using the mirror formula, right? So that thing is given, so that we'll have to follow without using mirror formula. Fine. So an object converging, right? So concave mirror anyway. Yeah. So now we can say, guys, is what an object is placed 25 centimeter away from a converging of focal length is how much here? Focal length is going to be obviously what? Negative here, right? Focal length is going to be what? Negative. Negative means how much? Minus of 20 focal length is 25 cent. An object u is how much here? Minus of 25 centimeter. Right. And in changes from what? So three cases we can take here. First case, let's see this, and the second case we can take. So the second case we can take here, pole, and then what? Again focus and center of curvature. And the third case what we can take here is again the pole, focus, and what? Center of curvature. So yeah, so three cases we'll have to make here. Let's see, suppose first is what? Focus obviously is, let's take this is what? Focus 20 centimeter. So the center of curvature is going to be what? 40 centimeters. So somewhere in between focus and center of curvature the object is. If you will see here, if you will ray diagram, if you will draw, then you will get what here? An object is parallel to principal axis will pass through what? Focus, right? So this is the first thing. And the second thing we can say what? An object hits the pole, then what will happen? It will reflect back with the same angle, right? So the image is we can form somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. So we can say now here it will form, right? Now the second case they are saying that what? From 15 to 20 centimeter, right? No, 25 to 15 centimeter. So 25 to 16. So let's consider now at focus. If you will consider one case, if then the object is going to form at what? Infinity, right? That we know properly because rays are parallel. So object is going to form at what? Infinity. Now the third thing is what? If the object is placed, now obviously focal length is 20 centimeter. If the object distance is 15 centimeter, then between pole and focus, if pole and focus you guys know, right? So it is going to be what? Divergent, right? So let me draw it properly. Yeah, one is this one you can take from pole. So this rays of light will never meet. So what we will do here is we will extend to meet these rays of light. So three cases are there where the object obviously here, if the object is at infinity, it will form. It will be what? Point size here it is what? Greater, and then this. So these three cases justify your answer without mirror formula. So by this way you can do this question. Now what? Rohit placed a pencil perpendicular to a principal axis in front of a converging mirror of focal length 30 centimeter. The image is twice the size of the pencil. Calculate the distance of the object from the mirror, right? So this question also if you will do. So here also if you will see is what? Two cases are there. Rohit placed a pencil perpendicular to a principal axis in front of a converging mirror, right? Converging mirror of focal length 30 centimeter. Okay, so we can consider now as like right? So one case is, guys, what in front of a focal length is how much here? Focal length is 30 centimeter. Sorry, focal length is 30 centimeter, and then they're asking what Rohit plays up in front of the convening or 30. The image is twice, so magnification is how much, guys? 2. Magnification is what here? So two cases actually we can frame. Magnification is 2, and then in this case also it is possible. No, focal length is there, right? So in one case is what you can place the object here, somewhere here. Another case is what here we can place here also, right? So two cases here. The magnification is minus. Let's write it down so that it be easy to understand. Here the magnification is what? -2. Here the magnification is what? +2, because we also know the object is, if we'll place the object between pole and focus, the image will be what? Beyond the mirror, right? Somewhere here. So we can say now somewhere here it will form, right? And here if it is between F and C, then the image is going to be what? Beyond C and F, right? Beyond what? C. Beyond C also we can say, right? Beyond. So now we can say what here? Minus V by U is equal to what? -2. So minus minus plus V is equal to what? 2U, right? So now we can say 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F, what is the focal length here? Focal length is obviously minus 30 centimeter. 1 by V, V is how much here? 2U plus what? 1 by U. So we can say minus of 30 is equal to what is here? 2U you can take, and then we can take here 1 and then here 2. So it is going to be how much? 15 here, right? And then minus of 1 by 15 is equal to 3 by U. So 45, right? U is equal to how much here? Minus of 45 centimeter, right? So now if you'll see here, magnification is +2, then it is going to be magnification is minus V by U, but here magnification is +2, right? So we can say minus V by 2U is equal, minus 2U is equal to V. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by F is 1 by F means minus 1 by 30. 1 by V is what here? Minus 2U plus what? 1 by U, right? So if you'll solve this, this is going to be what? Minus 1 by 30. Minus 1 by 30 is equal to again 2U, right? 2U, and then that is going to be what? Minus of 1 plus of 2. So minus of 1. So this is going to be 15, and this is what? Minus of 1, right? Plus of 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by 15. So minus 1 by 15, U is equal to what? Minus 15. So this is going to be the answer. So generally it happens here what people used to think that what only one case will have to make in front of the focal length, so both the side you will have to take. Then both the side you take, and then they didn't told anything about like whether the image is forming on screen or not. So both the cases you will have to take. Generally 90% of the student does mistake here, is what they will take only one side. So till here we'll see it in today's class. We'll see in the next class is what we'll see in the next class.